Hello students, in this period we will solving practice set 14 question number 7, 8 and 9. So let's solve question number 7. So question number 7 is the product of two digits number is 765 and their SCF is 3. So what is their LCM? So now we will finding the LCM of the product. So the product of two digits number, the product of two digits number is 765. The SCF of 3. So what is the LCM? We will finding LCM. So we already know the formula of the SCF into LCM equals to product of two numbers. This is our formula. So we know SCF multiplied by LCM equals to product of two numbers. So it means SCF is what? SCF is 3. So this is 3. We will finding LCM. So LCM as it is now. Product of two numbers is, so it is 765. Now let's arrange. Therefore LCM equals to 765 divided by 3. Okay, we will dividing 765 by 3, so we will get our LCM. So it is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 1 remain, 3 fives are 15, again 1 remain, it is also 3 fives are 15. So therefore LCM equals to 255. This is our answer. Hope you understand. Okay, now the question number 8. Question number 8 is, a trader has 3 bundles of string 392 meters, 308 meters and 490 meters long. What is the greatest length of the string that the bundles can be cut up into without any left over string? So असे 3 बंडल्स आहेत, त्या बंडल्सला आपल्याला इक्वल पार्ट्समध्ये डिवाइड करायचं त्या बंडल्सला, बट रिमेन काही राहिलं नाही पाहिजे. रिमेन म्हणजे बाकी काहीच राहिलं नाही पाहिजे. ते टोटल इक्वल पार्ट्समध्ये डिवाइड झाले पाहिजे आणि रिमेन 0 पाहिजे. ओके, सो लेट्स सॉल्व दिस एक्झाम्पल. इट मीन्स व्हॉट? सपोज हे 3 बंडल्स आहेत 10, 15 and 20. सो आपल्याला या बंडल्सचे इक्वल पार्ट्स करायचे. सो आपण काय करणार? 10चे 2 पार्ट्स करणार, 5, 5. तिथे रिमाइंडर काय राहिलं का? इथे रिमाइंडर बाकी राहत नाही. आपण 10चे 2 पार्ट्स केले, 5 मीटर 5 मीटर. 15चे किती करणार? 5, 5, 5. इथे 3 पार्ट्स केले. रिमाइंडर काय बाकी राहिले का? तर काहीच रिमाइंडर बाकी राहणार नाही. 20चे 5 पार्ट्स केले, 5, 5, 5. इथे रिमाइंडर राहिलं का? नाही. लाईक दॅट. ओके, नाव लेट्स सॉल्व. ग्रेटेस्ट, write the greatest possible length of each, means each जे असेल each part. So each of string will be HCF of 3 bundles of lengths. Means या 3 bundles काय असणार ते HCF असणार. So now we will finding the HCF of 3 numbers. So write down the 3 numbers: 392, 308 and 490. So we will factorizing this number. Let's factorize this number by using 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 1 remain, 2 nines are 18, again 1 remain, 2 six are 12, 2 ones are 2, 1 remain, 2 fives are 10 and 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8, 1 remain and 2 fives are 10. Now look at here, it has even number and it is a odd number or it is a prime number. So we cannot factorize this number by using same number. So we will factorizing this number by using a specific number. So look at here, the 2 is a common number of 392, 308 and 409. This is a common number. So we will factorizing this number by using 7. So it is 7 twos are 14, 7 twos are 14, remain is what? Remain is 5. So 7 eights are 56. Now let's find 7 twos are 14, 7 twos are 14, remain 1, again 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, remain is 3 and 7 fives are 35. So this is the common factor of 392, 308 and 490, and 7 is also common factor of 196. So HCF means what? HCF means the common factor of this number. Okay, so it is 2 multiplied by 7, so it is 14. So it means hence the greatest length of string is what? 40 मीटर. म्हणजे 40 मीटरचा एक बंडल तयार होईल. ओके, नाव the last question is question number 9. Which two consecutive even numbers have an LCM of 180? So आपल्याला LCM दिलेला आहे इथं. LCM आहे 180. Now find the consecutive number means what? Consecutive means the continue even numbers. Consecutive even numbers means like that 2, 4. This is the consecutive even number. We already know even number means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 up to so on. This is the even number. Odd number means 1, 3, 5, 7. This is the odd number. So consecutive even number means what? Continue number. So 2 and 4 is a consecutive number. Consecutive even number. 2 and 8 is not a consecutive even number. So 2 and 4 is a consecutive even numbers. 10, 12 is also consecutive even numbers. 24 comma 26 is also consecutive even numbers. 18 comma 20 is also consecutive even numbers. Hope you understand what is consecutive even number. So let's find the answer. The LCM of two consecutive even number is 180. Okay, we know the HCF of consecutive number is what? It is 2. If we factorize 18 and 20, so we will get common number is 2. If we factorize 10 or 12, so we will get a common number 2. So it is the factors of consecutive even numbers. The HCF of consecutive even numbers is 2. Okay, so we know that the HCF of two consecutive even number is 2. Okay, hope you understand. So now our formula is product of, or you can write HCF multiplied by LCM equals to product of two numbers. Okay, it is also same. Product of two numbers equals to HCF multiplied by LCM. So we know that HCF is 2 and LCM is 180. Now let's multiply. Therefore it is 360. 18 to the or 2 18 the 36 and 0, so it is 360. So therefore product of two numbers, it is a even number. Okay, it is a even number, so equals 360. Now find the numbers, find the even numbers which product has 360. So let's even numbers. Even numbers is 2, 4, 6, 18, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 and so on. Now if we multiply the two numbers, so we will get the even number. So it is 2 for the 8. 2 for the 8 means this is the product of two consecutive even numbers. Okay, now 6 multiplied by 8, so it is what? 48. This is the product of two consecutive even number. So let's find the 316. So this is the product of 18 and 20. So this is the answer of, therefore, or you can write hence, two consecutive even numbers have an LCM. Therefore 18 and 20. Okay, this is the consecutive even numbers of the 360, product of 360. This is our answer. Hope you understand. Okay, thank you.